My name is Yiannis Aloimonos, and I'm a computer scientist at the University of Maryland. We are on the cutting edge of AI because we are doing the integration of the different components of intelligence. The robots of the future are robots that learn how to do many things. They have the power to change our lives. In the lab right now, we have two major kinds of projects. One is to develop minimal cognition with very small drones, and the other effort is with humanoid robots, where we develop solutions where the robots are learning from vision by seeing and from language. With small mechanisms like drones, we can mimic the behavior of the bee. The bees are responsible for 1/3 of the food that we consume. And the environmental conditions create a situation where many of the bees do not survive. Is it feasible that we could have robotic solutions to take over the pollination task? For that to happen, we have to develop behaviors that have to do with navigation. The system should be able to learn to go from one location to another. It should be able to find flowers. In principle, this is feasible. This violin project involves the integration of movement, rhythm, and sound, because all of these are working together in the mind of the violinist and the mind of the computer, so that they can be in exact correspondence. The reason that we pick those kinds of projects is so that we can investigate in depth the multimodality of intelligence. So far, there has never been an artificial mind in a body that has existed outside of us. So we would like to create perhaps the first. I'm very excited about the future.